Your windows may seem like a minor detail in the grand scheme of your home, but they play a significant role in your comfort, energy efficiency, and even the curb appeal of your property. Over time, however, windows can lose their effectiveness, and when they do, it's essential to know when to call a professional window installation service like East Coast Window Installers, Inc. A window upgrade can breathe new life into your home and provide significant benefits. Here are 5 signs that it's time to consider a window upgrade. Drafts and temperature fluctuations inside your home. If you notice cold drafts during the winter or your home becomes unbearably hot during the summer, your windows might be the culprit. Over time, older windows can develop gaps around the frame or seals that no longer provide an effective barrier against the outside elements. As a result, you could be losing valuable heated or cooled air, leading to higher energy bills. Upgrading your windows to energy-efficient models can significantly improve your home's temperature regulation. Modern windows come with advanced features like double-glazed glass and argon gas fill, which can drastically reduce heat transfer, helping you maintain a comfortable indoor climate year-round. With the expertise of East Coast Window Installers, Inc., you can choose the perfect windows to enhance your home's insulation and keep those drafts at bay. Visible damage or wear. Even the most durable windows will show signs of wear after many years. Cracked or broken glass, damaged frames, and rotting windowsills can all be signs that your windows are past their prime. Not only do these issues affect the appearance of your home, but they can also compromise its security and energy efficiency. If you're seeing visible damage on your windows, it's essential to act sooner rather than later. A window upgrade from East Coast Window Installers, Inc. can provide you with new, durable windows that look great and perform even better. Whether you need replacement glass or a complete overhaul, professional installation ensures that the job is done correctly and safely. Excessive noise from outside. Is your home constantly disturbed by outside noises like traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction? If so, your windows may not be offering adequate sound insulation. Single-pane windows or older, thinner models tend to let in much more sound than modern, high-quality windows. Upgrading to windows with soundproofing capabilities can transform your living space. Multi-pane glass with soundproofing features can help keep unwanted noise out, giving you the peace and quiet you deserve. Whether you live in a bustling city or near a noisy street, East Coast Window Installers, Inc. can help you choose windows that will block out noise and make your home more tranquil. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. Windows that are difficult to open, close, or lock can be a significant inconvenience, and they may also pose a safety risk. If your windows are sticking, or you struggle to secure them, it's time to consider a window upgrade. A malfunctioning window can be a serious problem if you ever need to escape in an emergency or want to ensure your home is secure when you're away. New, professionally installed windows provide smoother operation and better security. Many modern windows are designed with easy-to-use hardware and secure locking mechanisms, ensuring your windows function as intended. By calling East Coast Window Installers, Inc., you can get windows that are both functional and secure, improving your peace of mind. Increased energy bills. If you've noticed a sharp increase in your energy bills, it could be due to inefficient windows. Old windows with poor insulation can cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption. With rising energy costs, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an investment that pays for itself in the long run. Energy-efficient windows feature low emissivity coatings, double or triple glazing, and gas fills, all of which reduce heat loss and heat gain. These modern features can help keep your home at a consistent temperature, reducing your reliance on heating and air conditioning. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. can provide you with a range of energy-efficient window options tailored to your home's needs. Conclusion: your windows are more than just a way to look outside. They play a crucial role in your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. If you've noticed any of these 5 signs, it may be time to consider a window upgrade. East Coast Window Installers, Inc. is dedicated to providing professional, reliable window installation services that can enhance the beauty and performance of your home. Contact them today to schedule an assessment and find the perfect window solutions for your needs.